say ehu hia yen eno nti ne bo nwum we nyina no ane ye pa kire wo say eni nyina nwene Ghana ho. Let's think about Ghana. De bia meka say on search be ya oda and just say and those of us who think say you be free Ghana ye de be tu kwan akotena wo bi man so nti ye mfa Ghana ho no eya na wo ho ye mmobo pi san say kuntunhwa ya ne nchia na eko. And we know some of these, I mean, discrimination, some victimization, some kind of, you know, a normal echoes racism near there, echoes other countries in Ibiso. Editia, yeah, no maybe before no create free, or maybe to say Ghana, Munaniade. But what you may some of these things, you know, and yes, and Yamuana Ghana in Jumpong, na Ghana ye dear here. And I'm as I can't say big a year Farmers Day, yeah, a course on Friday. In fact, it was a beautiful one. I wish a chadi a koye, Mampeni, Agnes in Piesu Kasai. And one of the things or kind of manage your partner said, Obama secondary schools, you know, Eginano, a room into farming. No one has to say tertiary schools in Inan Socrano, one be embrace a farming ye. No one cram Mampeni no crano so you clear. Enyasem ketwa and he's a farmer. Now encourages so be a bibia wo ye bia no wutumi ye farming account. In fact, o mani appreciate nipa o mo ye adwuma e de boa wo mani mi ye bidie. And a good call. Ade e hyase ache is the 41st one ekoso nanui. But here no na me feel say we're going to see some kind of applause na ye appreciate wo mo a se bi o ma do ami enya bia ye die no ye be appreciate wo. At the social media now we share some of the comments and things that are coming up. Na areho. Because some people think say awards na e call ye no ne no ma appreciation e come nipa bi no no. Aye selective. Aye kind of ade a ye de man nkrofo a omu yenim omu ene nkrofo a omu ben yen. That is what the impression is. Social media, full soldiers ni be go. And I came across one post from one of the people outspoken was social media for the MPP, Awal Mohammed. Na Openi Abraham Kwaku Edu say, onya overall best farmer no 2025. Osha Awal poster. I just put it on the screen for me. Bra Facebook in Sha 104.5. Now, congratulations to Openi Abraham Kwaku Edu say, overall best farmer 2025. The 82-year-old man is a head of Savior Church. He is a bosom friend of President Muhammad, who appointed him as a member of Council of State in 2013 when he became president. You know the symbiotic relationship between the NDC and Savior Church. Congratulations, Openi. He is a great farmer. Adia wotru yini. Say Openi Edu say no a unye overall best farmer no. Or Mampeni John Dramani Mama down funti. Inim di ekro. Now, the next post. Also in the Northeast, the Hajj Board chairman, who also served as the Northeast Regional Chairman of the NDC, was awarded Regional Best Farmer. In Asante Mampong, the senior brother of the TikTok minister was crowned the Municipal Best Farmer. So look at Facebook, this and someone watch. Now we share and someone watch on just so they appreciate you. These people, because they are political lines, he's actually playing politics with this award at Ecosom. Now, I've seen other food soldiers also making similar comments near the idea at the end. Now, I go back to the deputy agri minister under Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And I'm correct, similar thing and it happened those times under him. About 5 years ago, no making that comment, Dr. Sagri Bambaji, or say, we continue, or say some people ignorantly try to lobby for awards, but it does not work that way. Virtually, it is the independent team that determines the award winners. The award is based on partisan lines near the ade Ekufuado de man and Crawford, Ekufuado de ma party for, Ekufuado ashada selecting Crawford no de mo said ya wa can in ya. But the then deputy minister of Agric actually say award no a independent committee and omu determine, and the Ministry of Agriculture ne the guidelines ne beto is that committee that looks at criteria ya dia mo dia selecting pa wedding kunim anase ono de na wa go through obitimi ay best farmer of national municipality and the others. Na me kohwe what are some of the things that you hear and our criteria ne said ye sitie. Na Ministry of Agriculture, Food and Agriculture annual performance report no evaluate hectares under cultivation. Efuo dodo ne kese ya nipa na do. Efudie dodo a watwa. Ena afi se bi oye nkokọ a nkokọ ne ade ne mmoa na hodo awowo. Ne dodo. Afi enuaba a odidua ene kwan a ofa so ye ni mfuo. Ene nuane a yetwa firi mfuo mu ho ede boa wo man no ye nya bidie. These are some of the criteria na enam so a ye de eyi best farmers no. Na me go through a mehwe mu no. I mean say the list of it should be from 50 to about 200 acres. Ebi kura papa ya o wini ye kura ne de brosa. Yield no so say national average. Afei ese nipa no ye mechanized farming. Is in fidi nyuma ene ade wom a wo de ye mfuo no. Wa employ nipa not less than 20, between 20 to 100 people no or dasa criteria ni mo qualify. Now with this, Edna, me who say regional minister Nhyira that Alex de omubo ni din am say Awal de too when I'm say you don't know him. You don't know that guy. That Alex. Because since 2022 me krasa time no ahye na afu ase dadaada. Me call her witness say said ye na afu no ekɔ no. Ne farms ni ade no. You have no idea to attack those who were awarded. Say because that Alex a winning mampon municipal. Mampon ho na me free. Enti what goes on there? So we winning mampon municipal. Best farmer because he is related to the regional minister nti. Ye chinchim ne de ama no. Go to Asante mampon and ask. Say as we speak, when you phone a band that of that Alex. Why na your farms change that of that Alex? Our poultry farm bra Facebook Nhyira 104.5 nebehwe. These are ne farms no near ekoso ho. Ne poultry farm nini. Enkosua omayi. Jeff give me that of the chicks. Any ade. Hwenkoko a egu eye ne poultry farm ho. Eni nkosua e wo hwe farm no kura edan a wasi a wetwa ho ahia. And you know that this is that Alex on the gina ho no. On the yi ne nkoko free eye box yi mu odi omugo nkoko nkitinkiti a na oyi omugo ho no. And look at nkoko no said ye omusi aye ombebrebe eni nkosua kura wayi on the poultry farm ho. And Osha rice farmer waye enya no nko awu and oye the only farmer nimfudi a waye nyina waye install CCTV cameras e wo ho nyina na that screen is so. Oko advanced farming installing CCTV cameras. Ne farm no nya nkwada farms. Look at the maize farm. Wo de fo ni be hwade e wo Facebook. Enti wo ti wona ake kansem bi a wonnim. Now we can the open one post and because he's related to the regional minister and because national best farmer and also cry Mohammed Danfo and all those things. You don't understand. You don't know what you are saying. Facebook berry. Look at the size of the farm. We cry and kwetru yentimi nguramuni. Yentimi nguramu kwetri mpuni. Come and see the farm. Don't condemn other people, youth. And mebuna yiro omu so mu ye juma that Alex ye babunu. Why you know who ye juma? And the country, the nation is appreciating him. Then you go to Facebook and write rubbish just because of partisan politics. Best farmer is won on merit, not on political grounds. It will be a party member. Now why ye phone criteria no qualify. We to me akonanim. Now we drew some pempensuo na we dem see etimi ebo na baswa. Enti because of the party intinity ebo na baswa na. The people who were awarded then under Akufo-Addo. You said people was Nankofo bought and I can say Akufo-Addo awarded Nkrofo. And I gave you evidence by the deputy minister then and some more kind said the Nkrofo can and yenokre. Fish farming in the Alex fish farming. Come and see the number of fish you gum. And one gum in Yansam get one. Me in natural one who say we are not just talking. Timukotra social media. You just talk anyhow. This is the fish farming. Kakraka. Uko duro na nsuo no hu said and the beans nso no wado. Look at the number of acres of the beans awado. E kwa kosi to nnua no baby e wo no. Hwe workers ono mu ye adwuma. You can even count them. Omo na gina ho a wo sisa beans no na ebi bro. Omo bro. Na wotewo no akotro and because it's related to. And this guy has advanced even farming to the extent that we're installing CCTV cameras in all the farms. He's the hope of some of the youth. He's an inspiration to some of the youth in Mampong. And even across the Sechre Enclave. Oba Sechre Enclave no kra no. That Alex Efuno, menyin is obi ade kra to no. And so in Mampong municipality, your man the best farmer, you are there writing rubbish on social media. These things must stop. Very number of workers are employed one way. This is even one part of the farms. Yenyai sa ade no. Yenyai sa no man so obi koswa na ye ni pull him down, PhD for no mo ho no. Pull him down for no. What is this? The guy has really suffered, contributed. Why ye adwuma se nka wo ye babuni de me hu ni se ke bo na baso ye piano dada yere wo ho koswa na ye adwuma na nya bi fa mabunu aka wo mu ni adwuma yo hwe ni pa ye adwuma wo farms yo wa ba Facebook a wo hwe ni pa ye adwuma wo farms enya wo fe then you go to Facebook and write what you want. It's time that we encourage young farmers mabunu ye encourage omomura farming mu ye se adwuma ni wo. If we keep on condemning and we demotivate farming, how would they go on? This best farmer award is not partisan. It's based on merit. And the Ministry of Food and Agriculture has stated criteria. No? I read it to you just now. To where lies that, I don't know, propaganda, no, they are win, what they are saying that those things will not help. Those things will not help us. Yes, say because you perceive a pian Greek, no. You perceive painful dear. Oh, sorry, as in you are never boy. Oh, sorry, I will say, a bebusa and a bebuay. Abanayefu. The higher the supply, the lower the price. Sanity, economics. I was very much disappointed in Awal for doing that post and other social media for turning this Farmers' Day celebration into politics. Let me applaud Eye Mampong DC. Yura Yakubu Honorable. One of nurses ni bi omo Mampong. Ono so aye farms nya asem ketwa. And no female category no win am say why. And they are appreciating them. So is she also an NDC or is she also partisan line or anything? Ada ni yetesa ni yese wo man no. Ni ebebua wo man ni akagu fam ni yase no pasa. Yensesa isuban na emwaye because kuyaye na be wo man na chimremu. See, I'm encouraging Crawford to move ahead and go on with what they are doing now. Ebe haye. Uba Facebook, I will share say for ya banti. What is the doubt? Ewo award wunya inim. And go to Asante Mampong and find for yourself. Say why na nefu ebe that of that Alex. If you attack people who actually merit certain awards, certain appreciation, na wunim nyansa. You're really supposed to encourage them, so that they will do more to support the country. Oh, stop attacking people who are helping the country. Openi 82 years, we're winning national best farmer. Go and check his farms. And stop throwing lies across now and some are demotivating Crawford. What kind of farm way? Let's stop that. In Sha 104.5, we a crow maybe I see an Eugene to the fact checker. Or also a chance near the Aka at the Assos 1 year.